Finding the right general contractor for your project is an important decision and something that should not be taken lightly. If you're like most people, you have concerns and questions that you'd like answered before deciding to hire a general contractor. And we want to help by giving you the free report and checklist titled, How to Find the Right General Contractor. This report provides a list of questions you should ask, and it contains a checklist to help you make the best decision possible. This guide is truly a must-have for anyone thinking about hiring a general contractor. To get your free report, simply complete the form on this page and download it now.